Tonight, we recognize those who lead and lead by example in exemplifying our Foundation's mission of accelerating scientific discovery, public policy, and service to defeat rare cancer as we know it and bring new hope for rare cancer patients and their families. Join us in celebrating the achievements of our first annual Jedi Award recipients. Our Jedi for Innovation in Rare Cancer Science, Dr. Gary Schwartz, is a recognized leader in the field of translational research and has been able to bridge the clinical and basic science elements of drug development. Dr. Schwartz is a professor of medicine and current chief of hematology and oncology and deputy director of the Herbert Irving Comprehensive Cancer Center at Columbia University School of Medicine. But most importantly, in his 30-year career, Dr. Schwartz's colleagues, patients, and their families describe him as a physician who cares deeply about his patients.
Dr. Schwartz is, first of all, he's a compassionate physician who really cares about his patients. It's not just a job. He really gets involved and is just a compassionate human being. There are very few physicians who actually will give out their cell phones to patients and their family members. And it doesn't matter what time you contact him, he will respond.
As a fellow and a trainee, to sort of learn from somebody who kind of navigates the balance appropriately, showing every patient compassion and every patient the time that they need, and trying to strike the right balance between giving patients a realistic understanding of their disease process and their prognosis, but also, giving them hope and giving them the confidence that here at Columbia, we're going to give them the best possible treatment, and we're also, trying to lead the way in developing new drugs that are going to change the way that we treat their disease, and to sort of inspire them with that hope and that, I think that that's really something that had a major impact on me, because I think it's something that nobody really teaches you from a textbook.
We went to Dr. Schwartz, and my father fell in love with Dr. Schwartz. His bedside manner was incredible. His personality, he just embraced my father from day one. And it wasn't only Dr. Schwartz, it was also his nurses. That whole team at Columbia was incredible.
He seems to have boundless energy that just, I have seen the same passion in him now that I saw 10 years ago. And it's infectious, and it's so much fun to be around somebody like that, who's really a leader for us, so that it helps us who are wanting to achieve the same goals to really have the support from him.
He goes above and beyond being just a good doctor. What he did for the family was, pretty incredible.
Congratulations, Dr. Gary Schwartz, for being the first ever recipient of the annual Jedi Award for Innovation in Rare Cancer Science.